have a Toyota 4Runner here. This one got smacked in the front.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just get it out
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Volkswagen Jetta here. It is hurt pretty bad, but I'm gonna repair this and I'm gonna weld a tab right here. I got this one looking very nice. My gap's nice and even and flush. So I am going to go ahead and lift the back door off and get this one taped up and get everything primed up. Then it will go over to our paint department. I have this one all wrapped up. I'm gonna send it on over to our paint department as soon as they get a spot for it, and they could go ahead and get it prepped out. I have a Toyota 4Runner here. This one got smacked in the front, getting a bunch of new parts as far as headlights, cooling system. It gets one new fender and a bunch of other little parts. It folded this apron up a little bit right here, so I'm gonna make some pulls and pull that out. And as I hold pressure on this, I should be able to get all this to relax right here. And then it's getting a full new radiator support, which I have the new one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this, make some pulls, and then I'll start cutting the old radiator support out. So you could already see all of that almost already relaxed after pulling that out. Now I'm gonna work this front edge a little bit. So I'm gonna put this clamp on here and make one more pull. We should be in good shape. I got this radiator support all welded in and finished up. I'm gonna have our paint department come over whenever they get time and go ahead and paint this. Reason being is I have lots of stuff disconnected and pulled back. So the car is kind of crippled right now. So they'll come over here and spray it right here. Then I'll be able to put that stuff back together and make the car mobile. And then it will head on over to the paint shop to paint the rest of it.